Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if difference between two unit vectors is a unit vector. So, difference between two vectors means what? Difference is subtraction. So, suppose that A minus B, vector A minus vector B, and these guys are talking about difference. So, we will put mod on it, and it is equal to C vector. Okay. So can I say that vector A, vector B, vector C are unit vectors? Okay. Then the angle between them. So angle between them means what? The given vector, the angle between given vectors. Okay. So we need to find out the angle. So you know that whenever there is requirement of finding angle, we should take help of dot product. Okay. If you will observe the question, you have three variables, vector A, vector B, vector C. You know nothing about it apart from the magnitude 1, correct? So how we will handle this question, try to understand. So the idea is we should go with squaring both sides. So suppose we will do squaring both sides, and you know that if we need to do square, we should think about dot product. So look at this. Can I write A minus B dot A minus B equals C dot C. Now, A dot A will become what? Mod of A square. Then minus of AB. Then minus of BA. Then plus of mod B square equals mod C square. Now, this is A dot B, this is A dot B. So this is 2 times A dot B. So I'll send this thing that side. It is 1, so it is done. Now, can I write this thing as 2 times A dot B equals 1, because magnitude of A is 1. Now what we are supposed to do? We need to find out the angle between A and B. Let's break down this part. So can I write 2 times mod A mod B, okay, and then cos theta AB means it is angle between AB equals 1. So it is 1, it is 1. So can I write cos theta AB equals 1 by 2, and cos produces 1 by 2 at what? 60 degree, pi by 3. So can I say that angle between vector A and vector B is pi by 3. Okay. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.